Hi there, students. Cap. Well, this is a cap. Yeah? This is a bottle cap. Okay? A bottle cap. You could have a cap that, you know these toy guns kids have, and these little things that go bang, that actually make a noise like an explosion. That's also a cap. But I was thinking of the verb to cap. Okay, we use cap to mean to put a top on, to have a top on. So, for example, the mountain was capped with snow. The banana was capped with a chocolate sauce. We also use the verb to cap financially, to put a financial limit to something. So he's been spending a lot of money and we need to cap his budget, okay, to put an upper limit. In the past you could claim as much as you wanted of this against tax, but recently the government has capped that amount at £10,000. So to cap someone's budget, particularly, to put an upper limit on something, or just the top of, yeah? So the mountain was capped with snow. So what about formality? I guess this is neutral formality, and I'm certain you can use it in an informal conversation. I guess you could use it in a formal document as well, particularly as a verb to cap someone's budget, or maybe to cap someone's authority. That sounds quite good in a formal document. Notice as well, to cap is a regular verb. Cap, capped, capped. Okay? So, cap, something you wear in your head. A bottle cap, the cap of something, the thing that goes over it. The cap over your camera lens, well, maybe in the past. And then a verb, to cap, to cover. The pudding was capped with a cherry on the top. And then we need to cap his power, we need to cap his spending, to put a limit on it, to put a ceiling that it won't go past that. You could claim as much of this as you wanted against tax, but recently it's been capped. There's a top limit. So there you go, cap, several different meanings. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Cap.